Will a ball on a slope always roll down? Oh, no. Many of us love playing a game where we watch balls roll down. So, when can a ball not roll down a slope? Let's try it out now. Testing if a ball can stop on a slope without rolling.
Here are two transparent plastic balls. You can see they're hollow.
There's nothing inside.
If we roll them down the slope at the same time, both balls will have the same acceleration and speed all the way. But what if we use two non-transparent balls, even if they look the same on the outside?
When they roll down together, one ball will roll faster, and the other will roll slower, or even not move at all.
Why is that? The problem must be inside the ball. Let's open up the two transparent plastic balls.
Add some fine sand to one of them, and put a denser metal ball inside.
Then close the two plastic balls. You can see the difference inside the two balls. Next, we'll set up a slope of about 15 degrees. Place the two balls at the top of the slope. Let them go at the same time.
And the miracle happens.
One of the balls stops stable on the slope.
Even if you push it hard, it's still hard to get it rolling.
So, it's possible to make a ball stop on a slope.
It's doable. Like, follow, and comment.